Welcome dear students. Today in mathematics for standard 4th we are going to learn measuring time. So students, what do you see in this picture? Yes, it is tell us about daily routine work that we do, that is from time. You wake up till go back to sleep after you wake up, you brush your teeth, you go to toilet, take bath, have a breakfast, go to school, have your lunch, do your homework, go to play, have your dinner and go back to your sleep. So how do you come to know about what to have to do when? Yes, with the help of time. And how do you come to know the time? With the help of a clock. So today I am going to teach you about it in detail. What is time? Time is defined as the sequence of actions or events that takes place in present, past and future. We measure time in seconds, minutes, hours, days, weeks, months and years with clocks and calendars. Reading the clock. A clock is used to know the time. The numbers 1 to 12 are written on the dial of the clock. The short hand is hour hand. The long hand is minute hand. Both the hands move in the direction as shown. The short hand moves slowly, but the long hand moves faster. A clock in general has 12 numbers written on it from 1 to 12. The time is usually based on 12-hour clock. It has hour hand and minute hand. The short hand is hour hand and the long hand is minute hand. And the hands move in the direction as shown. Short hand moves slowly and long hand moves faster. See in the clock, when the minute hand is at 12, the hour hand is at 9, it is 9 o'clock. Now next point, AM and PM. A day has 24 hours. We use AM. The term AM means anti-meridian to tell time running from midnight to noon. And the term PM means post-meridian. PM for time running from noon to midnight. AM means anti-meridian. Anti means before. PM means post-meridian. Post means after. This chart over here explains to us in detail about it from midnight 12 am to noon 12. It's before noon 12 hours before noon, so it is am. What we use, and after that, that is from noon 12 o'clock to midnight 12 o'clock. We use PM over there, so if you see 12 hours before noon and 12 hours after noon, if you add 12 plus 12, you get 24 hours. That is, in a day there are 24 hours. Reading the minute. A clock is used to know the time. The numbers 1 to 12 are written on the dial of the clock. The short hand is hour hand. The long hand is minute hand. Both the hands move in the direction as shown. The short hand moves slowly, but the long hand moves faster. The minute hand is more faster than the hour hand. The minute hand crosses every small mark in the clock. There are 60 such small marks and each one called minute. The minute hand takes 5 minutes to go from one number to the next. The hour hand takes 60 minutes to go from one number to the next. So students, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Look at the time shown in the given clocks. See first figure. When the minute hand is at 12 and the hour hand is at 4, it is 4 o'clock. Now see second figure. When the minute hand is at 12, the hour hand is at 11, it is 11 o'clock. Now see third figure. When the minute hand is at 12 and the hour hand is at 9, it is 9 o'clock. Students, now next we will see more example. See in the screen. Short hand means hour hand and longer hand means minute hand. See first figure. The time is 1 o'clock. In second figure, the time is 2 o'clock. In third figure, the time is 3 o'clock. In fourth, the time is 4 o'clock. In fifth, the time is 5 o'clock. In sixth figure, the time is 6 o'clock. Next, the time is 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, and next the time is 10 o'clock and 11 o'clock and last 12 o'clock. Students, remember this point. Short hand means hour hand, longer hand means minute hand. Now next, time in minutes. Minute hand takes 5 minutes to move from one number to other number. It takes 60 minutes. Means 60 minutes means 1 hour. Okay. One complete round of the clock by the minute hand means that 1 hour has passed. So students, see the table. 5 ones are 5 means 1 means 5 minutes. 5 twos are 10. 2 means 10 minutes. 5 threes are 15. 3 means 15 minutes. 5 fours are 20. So 4 means 20 minutes. Next, 5 fives are 25. So 5 means 25 minutes. 5 6 are 30. 6 means 30 minutes. 5 sevens are 35. 7 means 35 minutes. 5 eights are 40. 8 means 40 minutes. 5 nines are 45. 9 means 45 minutes. 5 tens are 50. 10 means 50 minutes. 5 elevens are 55. 11 means 55 minutes. 5 twelves are is equal to 60. Means 5 multiplied by 12 is equal to 60. So that 12 means 60 minutes. Students, remember this point. 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute second. 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. Third, 24 hours is equal to 1 day. Fourth, 7 days is equal to 1 week. Fifth, 365 days is equal to 1 year. Students, you have already learned this topic in previous class. Let's revise it. Students, see here, a clock is used to know the time. The numbers 1 to 12 are written on the dial of the clock. The short hand is hour hand. The long hand is minute hand. Both the hands move in the direction as shown. The short hand moves slowly, but the long hands moves faster. See here, write the time shown by the clocks below in hours and minutes. The minute hand is at 3 and the hour hand is between 10 and 11. The time is 15 minutes past 10. Now see second example. The minute hand is at 8 and the hour hand is between 3 and 4. The time is 40 minutes past 3. Read the time given in the boxes below and draw the position of the clock hands. Students, you have to draw minutes and hours which shows the timing 30 minutes past 9 on the clock. Students, now tell me, minutes hand will be on which number? Yes, the minute hand is at 6. And tell me students, her hand will be on which number? Very good students. Her hand is between 9 and 10. So, the time is 30 minutes past 9 or 9:30. Now see next example. Students, now tell me, minutes hand will be on which number? Yes, at 3. Minute hand is at 3. And tell me, Her hand will be on which number? Yes, at 7. And the her hand is between 7 and 8. So the time is 15 minutes past 7 or 7:15. Using the terms a quarter past, half past and a quarter to. First, half hour or half past time. Half hour or half past time, how to read that on clock? 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, which learned just now. Half an hour is equal to 30 minutes, means it is half of 60 minutes. When the time is given in half hours, the minute hand is at 6. Let us see few examples to understand this. It is 30 minutes past 2 when 2 hours and a half hour have passed. We say it is half past 2 or 2:30. Now see second example. It is 30 minutes past 3 in the clock. 3 full hours and 1 half hour have passed. It is half past 3 or 3:15. In the same way, we can say half past 4, half past 5, half past 12. Quarter past hours. A quarter of an hour is equal to 15 minutes. 3 quarters of an hour is equal to 45 minutes. When the minute hand is at 3, the time is read as quarter past. It means the minute hand has covered 15 minutes. Let's see few examples to understand this. The hour hand is between 12 and 1 and the minute hand is on 3. It is 15 minutes past 12. 12 hours and a quarter hour has passed. It is a quarter past 12. That is quarter past 12 or 12:15. We'll see one more example. Students, now see second example. The hour hand is between 2 and 3 and the minute hand is on 3. It is 15 minutes past 2. 2 hours and a quarter has passed. That means it is a quarter past 2 and quarter past 2 or 2:15. Quarter to hours. When the minute hand points at 9, the time is read as quarter to. It means the minute hand has covered 45 minutes and the hour hand is close to the next hour. For example, it is 45 minutes past 1. A quarter of an hour less than 2 can also be read as a quarter to 2. We can also say as 1:45. Students, we'll see one more example. It is 45 minutes past 12. This can also be read as a quarter to 1, that is 12:45, or a quarter to 1. Let us summarize what we have learned. First, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Second, half an hour is equal to 30 minutes. Third, a quarter of an hour is equal to 15 minutes. Fourth, 3/4 of an hour is equal to 45 minutes. Fifth, 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute. Sixth, 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. Seventh, 24 hours is equal to 1 day. 8. 7 days is equal to 1 week. 9. 365 days is equal to 1 year. Fill in the blanks. First, the shorthand is hour hand. Second, the long hand is minute hand. Third, hour and minute are the units for measuring time. Fourth, 30 minutes past 9 is equal to half past 9. Students, this is your assignment. Question number 1. Fill in the blanks. First, 60 seconds is equal to. Second, 60 minutes is equal to. Third, 24 hours is equal to. Fourth, 7 days is equal to. Fifth, 365 days is equal to. Question number 2. Match the following. Students, you have to do practice in your maths notebook. Thank you, dear students. Keep learning and keep practicing.